Welcome back to Primetime News.
Special welcome to folks on OneSpotMedia.com.
Up first this evening, the police high command is dismissing claims that the torching of a car belonging to the PNP candidate for the Rose Hall division in St. James and the murder of a man hours later are politically motivated. The police say they are following several leads into the incident.
Now, the family of Kenroy Doman, the man who is said to have set the vehicle on fire, says he suffered from a mental illness. Anthony Lugg visited the area Friday and filed this report.
In happier times, a contrast to the roller coaster of emotions his family is enduring following his murder.
Now, just behind me is where 44-year-old Kenroy Doman met his demise. We were told that he was attacked by unknown assailants sometime after 8 Thursday evening.
Doman was killed hours after the vehicle of the People's National Party candidate for the Rose Hall division, Jason Cummings, was set ablaze. Following the two incidents, there were fears of political tensions in the division amid speculation about a possible motive. Assistant Commissioner Clifford Chambers is head of the Area 1 Police.
Let me make it categorically clear that there's no evidence at this stage that is linking his demise to any political friction. What investigators have verified is that a request was made of him to one of the caretakers, and the caretaker, obviously based on information, know that he's suffering from a mental issue. The caretaker, to my understanding, refused to purchase the alcoholic beverage that he demanded, and as a result of that, he was a little bit upset, and then he left the precinct where persons were being refreshed, and about 4 minutes after, the councillor caretaker vehicle was seen on fire.
It's understood that Mr. Doman suffered from schizophrenia, a mental illness that affects how a person thinks, feels, and behaves. Symptoms include hallucination, as well as thought and movement disorders. His daughter spoke with our news team.
This now have nothing to do with politics. He's mental ill, so that's the further notice that I can give you. He's mental ill. Mind us those two things, and no matter how we tell him take the pill them and so forth, bring him go doctor, so just make up his mind and say I'm not taking any pill.
As we visited sections of the community, the tension was evident. The police are also keeping a close watch on the community. The Doman family, however, is clinging on to the last memory they shared prior to Kenroy's death.
I was at talk one night and I said to him, say, what you go do with your life? For those time for change your life now, going to church, and him say him a pray go overseas and marry to my mother. And I said that he just think about your health. Right now your health we are talking about. And then him get cheap out back. And that's us. That are the last memory.
Anthony Lugg, TVJ News.